Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre sound quality from your headphones? The Sony ULT over-ear noise cancelling wireless is here to change that. With its premium noise cancelling technology and V1 processor, you'll feel like you're right in the recording studio with your favorite artists. Many customers have fallen in love with these headphones, and they're extremely well reviewed, which says a lot about their quality. One of the things that really stands out about these headphones is the massive bass you can get with just the press of a button. When you press the ULT button, the boost in bass is incredible. It's like you can feel the music pulsing through your entire body. The unique thermofoaming design of the ear cushions also provides a surprisingly comfortable fit, molding smoothly to the shape of your ears. Whether you're commuting to work or traveling across the country, these headphones are the perfect companion, with a swivel fold design and compact carry case that makes them easy to pack. And with up to 30 hours of battery life and quick charging, you don't have to worry about running out of power when you're on the go. I've used these headphones in a variety of situations, from working out to studying, and they consistently delivered high-quality sound and a comfortable fit. The noise-canceling feature is especially useful in noisy environments, like on a bus or in a coffee shop, allowing you to focus on what you're listening to without distractions. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Sony ULT over-ear noise cancelling wireless, and I think you will be too, so give them a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.